What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlogs. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we have the 86 behind me, but we're not working on it today. Rather, we are at the homie Isaac's house. It's the first time at Isaac's house. The only reason why is because he lives a little bit, not a little bit, he lives pretty far from us, about like an hour away. Steven brought his car to get some work done. He's installing something very, very cool. Something you say you'd wanted for a while, haven't you?
Yep, and there it is.
Red intake manifold, a 17 plus intake manifold. Does that make a difference to the car at all?
Technically it adds 5 more horsepower with some tuning and stuff. That's what they really changed for the facelift model. I don't think it's gonna do anything to my car, but I just like the red.
Yeah, it does look really nice. The little wrinkle red, very nice.
It'll pair nice with my battery.
Oh yeah. And then your the full form top hats.
Yeah.
Over here we have Isaac's beauty machine over here.
Down here.
Isaac's down here though.
Hi guys.
Isaac is joining the crew and getting one of the best front pipes that were ever made for our chassis. This is the HKS catless dual res front pipe, and he's installing it on his 86 or BRZ. But if you guys don't know, both of these guys have forced induction. Isaac actually has the HKS turbo kit.
HKS.
Yeah, if you guys have seen the Weekfest vlog in SJ, you guys are familiar with this car, but yeah, this car is pretty gnarly, man. The HKS turbo kit and everything. So the front pipe will complement this thing very well. I've never seen anyone use these. I've always wanted them because it makes working on cars so much easier. Literally you just press the button there and it raises the car on both sides. And it raises it pretty high. And look who we have over here.
Dre Yoda?
Long time no see, bro. I haven't seen Nick in forever, man. You guys have seen this car though. Nick's beautiful 86. He might be selling it soon. So if you guys want to reach out to him.
Dude, this looks really good.
You fuck with it, man?
Dude, I fucks with this.
Thanks, man.
It looks really good.
No, I love it too. Like, I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
This is like very you.
Yeah?
Very much you. I think
Beautiful.
this matches better with your TEs.
No, I agree. Especially with the chrome guards and everything.
Yeah.
And fun fact, there's no 3M on this lip. The lip fits that good. The only thing that we have on there is hardware.
And the gasket?
And the gasket, yeah. But it's pretty flush, like you can see that shit.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Right?
Boys are here. Look who is here.
What up?
Steven's bald again, guys.
Yeah.
Everyone go clown him in the comments.
No.
If you guys have seen the last video with Steven, you guys know what happened. Take care of your tires, guys.
I'm about to go to NorCal again too.
Oh
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
All right, no front pipe. What the hell? Oh my god, dude.
And it sounds like a J70RR, bro.
Dude! That's fucking loud. Holy shit.
You actually hear the turbo though.
Yeah.
It's like the Philippines.
Wait, keep glazing me. Keep going.
Alright, I got you ready. Dude, this guy
Dude,
is
this is
so
fucking-
fucking gay.
Hey, dude.
You just transfer that over, right?
Yeah, wait, I get the metal. Holy, how dirty it is.
Oh.
Yuck.
Oh my gosh.
Yo!
Yeah.
That's the AVS dirt, dude.
It's so dirty.
One Willow dirt, ABS dirt, wallet dirt.
Alright, it's good, it's good.
We got some tomfoolery happening right now, guys. What's going on? Isaac, update us.
Steven fucked it up.
I did not fuck it up. I did not do such thing.
This came off. The suspension came off.
Oh yeah, I should have recorded it, but so pretty much they dropped something in the engine bay and they have to jack the car up to get it now. But since Steven had to remove the strut brace, he forgot to nut it back down. So once they started jacking the car up, the suspension just completely disconnected from the car. But yeah, they're making progress. They're still trying to swap things over from the original manifold to the new one, but they can't do it because they dropped one of the parts in there. So they're gonna remove the skid plate and
Start swapping stuff.
hopefully find it. Aren't you glad you already have one of these, Isaac?
Pop my hood, you can see it right there. Came with the car.
Yeah.
Just saying.
2017 plus.
All 17 plus, some of them.
Manual.
Oh, only manual?
No auto. That's probably why Steven didn't get it.
Ah. Alrighty. HKS front pipe is now slapped. Was that the coffee or ice cream person?
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Let's hear it.
Oh, I like that.
Sounds the same.
Yeah, I can't really tell. I wish we recorded how it sounded before this.
What are you talking about? We did.
Yeah, that's what.
Just
Without
straight up the
anything
overlay.
on. What's the rattling?
I think it's a little quieter.
It's my freaking O2 sensor.
Oh, it's the O2 sensor?
Yeah.
Oh. I like it.
It's like a tad bit quieter.
Then OEM.
No, it's
This is
not.
a little
Oh, that
louder
was.
than I had before.
Yeah.
But it's like not that much, but alright, it's still nice.
Still
the
nice.
best front pipe ever.
Yes,
For a
guys.
deal, so you can't even get mad.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here. There you go.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, there we go. Here you go, Isaac.
That's only one part of the problem now. Like,
Oh no, there was because there was a coolant leak, but that was.
oh my god, how many leaks do you have, Steve?
No, I already fixed the coolant leak.
Bro, this isn't a Honda.
This thing just leaks.
Who has a flashlight?
I got it. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You good?
Alright, guys. The maiden voyage is happening today.
I was about to turn off the car. I was gonna be like, alright, so how much is the Uber? Hey Dre, I'm gonna ride back with you.
You done? And he's like,
It's a wrap. Good job, team.
Thank you, Isaac.
Thank you, Isaac.
Clap it up for Steven.
Clap it up for Isaac.
Success. Isaac was able to put his front pipe on, no problems. Steven's manifold, no problems. Just a little bit of stuff here and there, but nothing too crazy. But it was fun kicking it with the homies. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if it's short again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the day after we did installation on Steven's car, the intake manifold, and we're running into issues right now. We're currently working on it in the parking lot of a mall. This.
Socto Sunday.
Socto Sunday? Oh my gosh. It is Socto Sunday if you think about it.
I wanna go home.
Isaac's clocked back in when it was supposed to be over already. Now he got a new worker on it. Got Kyle working on it.
Kyle's like our master tech.
Yeah, he's master tech right now. Had to pull up the chair because I can't be bothered, man. But pretty much what is happening is he's having issues with the seat of his injector, so it's just dumping fuel. And we have all the parts literally because Steven never took it out of his trunk. So his old intake manifold along with like the injectors and everything is still in his car. So we are literally doing it in the parking lot. Yeah, guys, fun times. This is the reality of owning a cool car.
I the dealer, they didn't even know.
You want to show
This is the
Steven?
new one. This is the new one. Okay, so
That's
this
the new
is
one. I don't need that one. I don't need that one.
this is
That's not the new one. This is the new one.
yeah.
I was already
This
on.
is the one that's on my injector right now when we took it off. And if you see, there's like a tiny little crimp on it, and that's what's causing
It was the same thing.
the leak.
Hopefully,
This
or
one's
what we're
bigger, though.
presuming.
This one's bigger, I think.
I compared
Yeah,
it.
but
It
where
was the same
where it was
size.
Check- you can
crimped,
check
it's
the
like
other
half the size.
And it is. Oh, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at?
What? What, you about to eat the injector?
I just might, bro.
All right, so
you
they
right?
dropped
Just
the
now?
sock. They dropped the tool in there, guys.
Go a little before, right there.
Stuff is falling off.
What is going on?
This is the bolt to the bumper and it snapped.
Oh,
You're lying.
How did this happen?
Going on?
How did this happen?
oh, Kyle got it.
Ah, Kyle.
Whoa!
The bolt it just snapped somehow.
Oh my God!
This car hates you. This car hates you.
They ended up fixing it. Whoa!
Oh shit! No, I'm just kidding.
Stop, bro.
But we'll find out like tomorrow, you know.
Yeah.
Like the more I turn it on and stuff.
To see if it leaks.
I have 3 more seals I can do.
Yeah.
Bullshit.
See, good thing you didn't take everything out.
My mom literally was like, "Why did?" Or you were like, "Why didn't you take it out?"
Yeah, good thing you kept it all in there.
Ah!